Didn't like that one. Carrot orange. Now that is something that you like. Have I tried the carrot orange here before? Didn't try it. Yeah. That one looks refreshing. Mango mint infused water.
Summertime when the weather is hot, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather is fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Spend it on the day, do a time for no return of 25.
Not okay. Depends on your family. What's your mom?
When I thank people, when I daddy, when I win, we love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, lives we living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy.
This still looks the same. Nothing's changed since the last month we've been here. Oh, maybe they changed the window display.
Did they change the window display?
The 6th. Let's go.
Mickey Mouse Club. I don't remember seeing a Mickey Mouse Club display.
Those are new?
I don't know. I don't really care for the cups. And the bottom ones. Kids can look at
It's great for kids because they can twist, they can, play along.
and break it. $3 plus.
How much?
$10.
It's okay. Some kids like it.
Yeah.
What's the point?
We loved them when we were kids. I don't know. They weren't this nice though. They were covered in like a fabric, and this is like a nice plastic coat. Stitch is pretty cool. His name is on there. Loves you. This one's Toy Story.
Well, $7 you can get like maybe a stuffed animal.
Not here. At Walmart, yeah. Oh, it's the Gay Day one. Oh.
Jackson, you're with me.
Cool.
Rose gold on one side and a rainbow on the other.
Cool.
I think it's neat. Like they must have emptied everything and put this wall here. But I wonder why they would fill part of it.
I see him trying to clean it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right.
He's trying to get all the coins out of it. You know what? Like I said, they should always have has a wish pond in every, so they can collect the coins instead of people just throwing them randomly.
I think there is one in this castle.
I just never had that.
Maybe you've never seen it. like this.
It seems they're trying to do something.
Yeah.
They're trying to.
Well, they're expanding the walkway. This walkway, they're gonna make it wider.
They never use that walkway.
Yeah, well, it's really skinny.
What? Yeah, they're just trying to knock that wall down. I'm glad they clean all the coins, whatever.
Yeah.
Because that's really bad for the water, for the
They did
fish.
clean it, though. That's good.
Look at those ducks. They're just standing there, rolling.
There.
The ducks. Isn't that supposed to be my home? And they just drain all the water.
$19.99 for both.
They're very sorrow. The black nose, red nose. And with peanuts.
He's got a peanut, he's got an acorn. Those are good. I like those.
Is that Pluto or Goofy? Goofy.
Pluto.
I try. Because maybe everything's increased.
Everything went up because the soda, the Coca-Cola's went up $4.19.
I saw it at $3.99 in the
This is
place.
$3.50. They were $2.
I mean, I would carry my own water or my own drinks. It's too crazy. Like $4.99 you can buy a case of them. What's this place called?
Columbia Harbor House.
Huh?
Columbia Harbor House. They've got like fish and chips and salmon.
Makes me feel like a boat or something. It's really cool and you can just sleep here.
Look at that. Those look like the chairs we
Angel.
had.
Carved angel. This has been here for a while.
You open the app, hit this here, it says it's ready. And then you go order food. You find the restaurant you want to order from. And then you go into the menu, find whatever you want. You want this, add it to your order, add, and then it takes you to the order processing screen. But I gotta take this
So
out.
you have to like bind with your credit card, right?
Yes. Vegetable rice. It came with mac and cheese.
So all of them together like $12.
$12.49.
That's not too bad in Disney, you know.
Yeah.
Like a one turkey leg is like $12.
Yeah, I know. You want to try rice?
No, I'm too full. I mean, it looks nice.
It tastes like the rice my mom made.
I like they use like table straw.
It looks like a lot of the houses in my hometown.
Do you see the intention they put? Garden, looks like
Right.
they're taking care of all.
Right. Looks like they well maintained that way.
And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will continue our...
work they need to do too.
You probably have to study wrong.
Yeah. No, like I said, next year.
It's almost a 90 degree, I feel like.
You see there's our water cannon over there.
Really?
See the water squirting out of the thing?
Well, some will get a really big splash. So the intention that you see that first before it go on.
Yeah, yeah. No, I don't know if you can see from where you are, but there's a little bit of water bubbling out of a pipe, and then it spurts it out right there to make it look like they made a big splash. No, they really didn't. Seems like it does it like every other one.
It is a very short one, but you know the degree is like almost I think 85. 85,
Yeah.
almost like 80, at least 80. I can sit here and watch all day long.
Looks like every third one it does a little splash.
People go from there, they get a little bit.
Height limit, and then it's like tiny little steps you have to climb up. Without walking.
So we're going for Jungle Cruise.
Well, let's ask them if they'll let us do
All the way.
It looks like we are here.
Between now, we probably are the table And it's water chicken. They're edible.
Come on in. Now, to increase your normal spot, please raise keep your hands on your feet and legs. Perfect. Who's excited?
Me!
Woo! We begin a trip from the Amazon rainforest will range 365 days a year. And you know what? That's almost every day. Yeah, I know. Amazing. Around our boat, you're going to see some beautiful water python. They really are friendly creatures, but they can develop a bit of pressure. That was rude. Please get on my boat right now. Watch out, watch stuff, and use those handrails. Please enjoy my keep everyone.